Good evening, fam. Welcome back to my new video. So today is on Thursday, and it's currently 4:50, and Jaden is out of school. We want to go for a little walk because the sun is not that much hot. It's not hot, yeah, the sun is not that much hot, so it's a good time to go for a walk. And also I want to pass by a supermarket or to do some little shopping, like snacks. Let's say, yeah, I want to go to buy snacks because I want to pack a gift box, gift pack snacks box. Like it's a box where you just put all types of snacks inside, then you wrap it like a gift, then you gift or give the person that you're supposed to gift. So for me, I want to give my sister a surprise snack box. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to say it. A surprise snacks box. So that's what I want to do. I want to go to the supermarket, get some few snacks, then I will pack it because I'm planning on traveling this weekend. We have a weekend getaway, then we have a small something happening in the village. So when I'm there, we have already got something for my dad, for my mom, and when my sister was like, what should I buy for my sister? Like, okay, she's small, but I was like, what should I buy for my sister to feel like, to be happy? And then I remembered, kids love snacks, like different types of snacks, chocolate, like that. So I decided, let me do like surprise snack box where I'll just buy different types of snacks, then I'll put it together and then wrap it. So yeah, I think I'll take you to the journey. I'll show you what I'm going to do in this video. We are going to, we are going to do the process together. So now I just want to pick baby and wrap her in my bag. Then you can just head out before 6. I think we'll be back because the supermarket is not far from where we are. So we'll just take a stroll around. Then yeah, that will be all for the evening walk. So let me take you along, and I hope I'll be able to take some few videos. I'll be able to take some few things because I will have Jaden and I'll have baby, and I have to concentrate because we have cars, motorbike, and everything, thieves along the way, so I have to be careful. So yeah, JJ, you want to say hi? Come say hi.
Hi.
And your nose is dirty.
Hi. Anybody, I just was playing with Malkia, but I was in school yet.
You were in school, but you're back now.
Yes, now I'm back.
So guys, yeah, let's go and yeah, have that walk is good. So we have our Roxy here. Jaden is saying I show you our Roxy. So yeah, that's our pet, but she's very, very thin. He was sick, that's why he looks like that. But I hope for now he's doing well. He's a he, not a she, but he's doing well, just getting medication, then food, good diet. She'll be back on his feet. So let's go. Let me go and pick baby. Goes on our way. Jaden is here, and I'm here with baby on our way.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno. Lo sé, pero tal vez estás con otro que no te quiere. Pero yo te quisiera más que 1000 mujeres, y no hay que doler pa' sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler pa' sanar. instantes. Si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, deja cicatrices. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida. Todo nos separa pero nada nos une. No lo arreglamos aunque tengo autotune. El tiempo lo siento, está perdido. Dale todo lo no correspondido, bella. Aunque no te tenga a ti, ya muchos quieren de mí, pero yo las dejo en visto. Obvio que por eso te seguí, es que me hiciste sentir como si yo fuera Cristo. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy, deja cicatrices. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás, pero así es la vida, baby. Tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida, y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida. Y a que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Y por todo yo brindo, desde lo feo hasta lo lindo. Tú eres una prueba que el mundo a mí nunca me brindó. Quería casarme, yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más. Siempre a medias no he logrado encontrar mi otra mitad. El tiempo dirá, el tiempo dirá. Y cuando la encuentre de ti no me voy a acordar. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Ahora con quién voy a compartir todas mis noches húmedas. Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás. Tú amabas a Nico pero nunca a Nicolás. Tú eras la oveja mala del rebaño. Tu vicio a la fama sí me hizo daño. Tantas promesas fueron por el caño, porque lo único que cumplí son años. Chica, si te vas y luego me quieres ver, eso nunca pasará. Prefiero otra mujer. Chica, si te vas y juegas otro papel que nunca te quedará, como eso de serme fiel. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Tú eras todo lo que yo quería, hoy eres todo lo que quiero. quiero olvidar. Tú fuiste bla, 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 y mi inseguridad lo hizo más fácil para ti. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? Si tú te vas.
So guys, we are back in the house. It was a very good walk, though we are tired. For me, I'm very tired, so I have must cook supper, then I head out to shower, then I can relax. But there's this movie that I was watching, and it's very good. It's called Search. So if you have not watched it, go and watch it. And yeah, this is the goodies that we got. This is the goodies that we shopped. So I want to pack with you. I also got what is it called? It's not here. Oh, let me show you. I also got this carton. This where I'm going to place the snacks. And also we got the gift wrap paper. This one I had it, but so this one did not fit, that's why I went to buy this one. So here, this is the box that I'm going to use to pack the snacks. So it will be like a box. Is it a box, or yeah, a surprise snack box? So yeah, so let's pack with you guys. And also I have this small, as you remember, they brought for us some cakes in this tin, and I did not throw it away because I knew it will come to help me one day or just a few days coming. I knew I was going to travel, so here I'm going to pack some few snacks for my son when we travel, so that he can eat on the way. So let's pack with you guys, and yeah, let's first unbox this. We'll see what I got.
Oh, we got many snacks.
Ooh. Oh my god, I hope this is not broken. So guys, we got a lot of snacks.
Mommy,
So we got these
when
ones.
it's broken,
Got these ones. They're called Phantom. They're just simple things, but yeah, I know. So we have this barbecue baked
and we have these ones.
I don't know what. Yeah, this one. And also we have these sodas that I've seen, but I think this one energy drink. I don't know if kids are advisable to take energy drink, but it's not just this one. It's not a lot. And what else? I also thought this one looks cute, so I got these two, but my son took one. It looks cute. Also we have this heart cake, and I got some 2 flavored milk, strawberry, and this chocolate one. So I want she's going to try those ones. So yeah, so let's pack with you. We have these onion crisps, like they're just simple things, just simple things, but
Mommy,
so let's pack with you guys. Let's pack with you guys.
Yeah. Me dice, promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame esos pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres, sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pitch y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono, para esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, con esos besos, chica, me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres, sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, de todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. 따스하게 불어오는 너란 바람에 흩날리는 마음 사랑인가 봐. 이젠 말해요, 그대 곁에 있을 사람 내가 되어줄게요, my love. 사랑이란 마음만으로 부족할 수도 있지만 떠나가면 안 돼, 떠나가면 안 돼. 약속. 1, 2, 3, 4. 내 맘에 그대가 불어와 향기로 꽃을 피우고 내일을 기다리는 이유 It's you, always you.
Show you. So we have I've already finished wrapping my sister's snack box gift. Here it's my dad's gift. That's my dad's gift. And I want to wrap this this phone. Okay, this phone, it's not a gift, but it's just it was a phone. It was a phone that my brother was using when she wanted to he wanted to upgrade his smartphone, so he had to sell the one that he had, and since he did not have any other phone to use, he went to buy the button phone to hold it for some time before the other phone that he ordered to come. So this is the button that he bought, and since let me reduce the noise from this movie that I'm watching. So what I'm trying to say is that this button, my brother bought it in order to put line when he was he had not, oh my god, why am I struggling to talk? Like what I mean is that this phone is not new, but since no one is using it in the house and everybody has phone, like my brother bought it when he wanted to upgrade his smartphone, and since he has now the smartphone that he wanted, this one we decided we are just going to give mom, because his phone is struggling with charging system, so we are going to give her this one to just when she's charging the other phone, she can also put line here and use. So let's wrap with you, and then we're going to give it to her. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, I've already finished packing or doing the wrapping of the gifts. So now I just want to go to finish cooking the dinner, then I shower, and maybe I'll do a video when I'm packing. And yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll cut this video here, I will make it short, and then I'll do another video. Jaden, I'm doing a vlog, can you stop making noise? So I'll do another video when I'm packing, because I like preparing myself earlier in advance. When I'm traveling, maybe the next day, I prefer preparing myself like the day before, so that it can be easier when you are not going to be in a rush. And now I have 2 kids, and Jaden tomorrow is going to school because they have exam, and then he will come back. Now we'll start our journey. But yeah, I want to pack everything that we are going to need today at night, so tomorrow it will be just cleaning the house and and us preparing ourselves. Jaden, you just go when he has uniform. I don't know if I should dress him uniform or home clothes, so that it can be, I'll know. But yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay guys, I'm tired. Even you can notice I'm tired. Like I'm lacking even words to say this video, because I've gone for a walk, and this is my my second walk after baby arrived. And I had baby, and I'm feeling so tired. I hope when I take a bath everything is going to be okay, because even like I'm struggling talking, words are just like I'm forgetting words to say because I'm tired. I'm just feeling sleepy, like, oh my god. I wish now like my nanny was here. By the way, I didn't maybe I'll do a video explaining what happened, but my nanny went. And yeah, always I'm now alone, doing everything alone. But yeah, it's life. Everything happens for a reason, so I'm not complaining. And yeah, I hope you are good. So let's see each other on the next vlog. Let me finish doing the rest of the work. I shower, and then I can start packing. Maybe we'll pack with you. So let me show you the gifts. Here they are. They are already here, waiting to be packed. So yeah, I hope my sister is going to be happy. So let me end this video.